A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of subject English of 6th class. I hope you all are very fine and staying happy in this present situation, staying happy and staying healthy in the present situation. So already we have started the 6th class English. So in the unit 1 we have seen one of the observation skills. So with the help of picture reading we have saw the observation skills. So already I have given one of the work. I hope you have done that work. So what is that work? So selecting any one animal from the picture which have been discussed yesterday and write about that animal. So describe about that animal in your own words. I hope so you have written that one. So today if you done that one, you can understand this lesson very easily. Okay, so here now we shall go with the lesson. So what is that lesson? So the lesson name, so A reading. So the A reading of this lesson is peace and harmony. Peace and harmony. So what is peace? So peace means generally peace, peace, to become very silent, to be very silent and sincere. So that is peace. Next, harmony. What is the meaning of harmony? Here the meaning of harmony is very important. Harmony means agreement. So this word will play a very important role in this lesson. So whatever the lesson now we are seeing, this harmony will play very important role. Peace and harmony will play a very important role in this lesson. So that's why the lesson name was given peace and harmony. Okay, so I think so you are understanding. I hope you are understanding. So now we shall go with the lesson part of this one very interestingly and very creatively. Okay, so let us go with the lesson. Okay, children, here you are seeing some of the animals. So these animals are staying in the forest. There are so many variety types of animals. So in these animals, so here the story is once upon a time in a very thick forest. This is one of the very thick forest. So in this thick forest there lived many animals, birds and snakes and insects also. So they all lived together happily. So every animal is staying very happily in this forest. So how they lived happily means they roamed around the jungle. They roamed about the jungle. Roamed means roam. R-O-A-M-E-D. Roamed means they are moving here and there. So around the jungle. If you are seeing in this picture, so all the animals are roaming here and there. So around the forest. So and played together in open fields without any fear. So without any fear they are playing. So they are playing and they are roaming here and there. Okay, in the open fields. So without any fear. So how they have played means, so the peacocks which were very proud of their dances. The peacocks were very, very proud of their dances, but admired the melodious songs of cuckoos. So whatever the here cuckoo, peacock is a very beautiful and very, very lovely bird, but they are admiring, but that means admire means they are giving very good respect to this cuckoos. So with their voice, for their voice. Okay, so the elephants they are enjoying the watching of the fishes swimming in the pool. So the fishes are swimming in the pool. So this elephant is watching and enjoying that one, watching and enjoying the in the pool. So next, the pythons, which were blessed with long bodies, spoke well of the fine fur of the flat-footed rabbit. Spoke well with the fine fur of a flat-footed rabbit. So like that. So next, the tiny ants, which were always busy. So the tiny ants, So how tiny? Tiny means small. So how small the ants will be? So they are busy with tickling the dark buffaloes. So whatever the dark buffaloes are there, so they are tickling the dark buffaloes. Okay. I think you are understanding by seeing this picture, by seeing this one. Okay. Next. So next, they often held musical evenings. So every day these animals used to held the musical evenings. So at the time of evening time, they used to have a musical evenings. Okay. Next, where not inside. So in the open fields only they used to have the musical evenings. Okay, at the evening time they used to enjoy very much happily all together. Okay. Next, the elephant and the deer. The elephant and the deer danced at the in the musical evening. The elephant and the deer danced. Next, the parrot and the miners and the parrots were they sang means to sing. So at the time of evening they used to sing at the time of musical evenings. Next, the tiger and the bear. The tiger and the bear exhibited some of the gymnastic. That means they used to do the gymnastics, because these tiger and bear are very strong, very powerful animals. So they have a good body, a good physique and good body. So they used to do the gymnastics at the time of musical evenings. Okay. Next, they called the moon and his friends. They called the moon and his friends to be the guest of honor at their musical evenings. So for the musical evenings they used to have some of the guests. So everyone will keep some of the guests for to attend the program. They used to keep. So like this, here the animals also used to call the moon and his friends for the musical evenings. So like this they used to do. So but suddenly what happened, like this very enjoyably all the animals, so all the animals used to stay very happy in the forest. So but one day what happened, suddenly one of the jackal entered the forest. So how the jackal was? He was very dirty and dangerous and very cunning too. So jackal will be very cunning mind. Okay. So like that he was very cunning, very dirty and dangerous. So he told the elephants. So what he told to the elephants? He told to the elephants that you are the biggest animals in the forest. And why do you want to play with the squirrels, rabbits and fishes? Why you want to enjoy with the small fishes, squirrels and rabbits, like that he was telling. So that means this jackal was saying to this jackal. So the jackal was saying to this elephant. So like that one day he told to that elephant. So next, he poisoned the minds of peacocks. So he went to the minds of he changed the minds of peacock. So what he told to the peacocks, you are the loveliest birds in the forest. Why do you want to praise the miners? Why you want to praise the miners, cuckoos, like that he was saying. So you are only the loveliest. Why you are praising to another one? Why you are giving great respect to another cuckoos, miners, like that he was saying. So the jackal then approached the deer and whispered the tiger. Approached the deer and whispered that the tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them. The tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them. Here not even the one animal also bad. Okay, every animal is good up to that time, but here the jackal mind is very cunning and very dangerous. So he was saying the negative words. So not even the things whatever he was saying, they won't happen, but they know the general idea of that animal. So he was taking the general idea, and he was giving input in the weaker animals. So like that he approached the deer and whispered that tiger. Whisper means to say very slowly and very quietly, for not to hear any other person. So the tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them, to kill all the deers and everything. So like this he was injecting some of the negative words in the weaker animals, in the loveliest animals, so in the biggest animals. So like that he was saying. So at that time, gradually all the animals began suspecting each other. So once the jackal has taken that type of step, so every animal used to suspect one another. So before the time, elephant and the fishes have been enjoying enjoying at that place, but now the elephants went to their own places, and that means they have been separated. The tiger and deer have been separated. Peacocks and minus parrots, minus cuckoos have been separated. Like that, every animal have been separated to each other. So earlier they lived together happily like this. So earlier they had lived together and slept together and roamed together, but around the forest together. But now they started to put up boundaries. So how they so like this, every animal used to keep the boundaries for themselves. So to protect for themselves, they used to keep the boundaries. Okay, like this. So afterwards, now they start to put up boundaries and build fences around their properties, around their own properties. They used to build properties. So they moved about individually or with their own group. So with their own group only they used to move here and there. Suppose here elephant is there. Here elephant used to now the after completing completing to build the fences, the elephant used to move with their own elephants, or with single elephant, with one elephant only, very lonely. But before the time they used to roam here and there and play together with other animals. Now the situation now was not like that. They used to move individually. So only one animal they used to move, or with their own group. So rhinoceros, if rhinoceros is there, rhinoceros used to move with the own rhinoceros. Hippopotamus is their own hippopotamus. Elephant is there with another elephant. Okay, tiger is there, another tiger. Snake is there, another snake. Like that they used to roam. Now it was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals. Here, after building the fences, the jackal got a chance to kill the smaller animals and birds. So every smaller animal used to become a fear, and when the smaller ones cried, so after when they are becoming very sad, so no one came to help them, because neither elephant nor buffaloes come to help them, because if they go means what they will do. So these smaller animals are getting fear. So that's why this jackal, what is the plan of this jackal? So the plan of jackal is used to kill all the first kill the smaller animals, then afterwards bigger animals. So like that it was planning to empty the forest. Okay, like that this is a behavior of a jackal at the time. So one by one, so the little ones disappeared. So all the smaller animals getting disappear means they are getting emptied. Okay, they are dying. So like that, the forest slept as the animals were afraid. So whatever the forest is there, so this forest was being becoming very dull. Okay, without any smaller animals, the forest is getting empty. Okay, at that time there are no more musical evenings. The moon was sad, he cried. Moon became very sad and he was crying. So at that time, what I should do, what I have to do for these animals, like that he was thinking. So the moon thought for a while. He thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and approached him to narrate their tales of woe. And he used to come down among the animals and birds. So how he used to come down? So as a sadhu. If he is a moon came like a sadhu. So why he was coming like a sadhu means he was every animals and birds will listen to the sadhu's words. So like that's why he came as a sadhu. Okay, so as soon as sadhu appeared in the forest, so like this all the animals and birds, as soon as the sadhu appeared in the forest, all the animals and birds they came approached him like this. They come closer to the forest, and they are narrating their tales. Narrating means to tell their tales, their stories of woe, sadness. Woe, woe, woe means sadness. All the animals used to say the sad stories to this sadhu. So what has happened? So at the time they cried, sobbed means to cry with a short quick breath. So like that, and blamed each other for disturbing the peace in the forest. So everyone in the forest becoming very sad. So like this every animal was narrating their stories to this sadhu. So and sadhu was listening to them very quietly. So till if there are any other chances, he was listening. Okay, so after this sadhu, he decided to brought together all the animals. So first of all, this sadhu brought together the lions and rabbits. So whatever the lions and rabbits are there, so he brought together. And for a common meal. So this sadhu, lion and rabbits, they were sitting in the common meal. He visited the python and the viper. So whatever the python and viper is there, so he visited to the python and viper and had a long chat with them. So he was talking with the pythons, snakes, everything. So next he advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks that had lost their mother. Okay. So next he was saying to the eagle for not to attack the little birds, animals like chicks, like that hens who lost their mother. Next the sadhu accompanied. So this sadhu accompanied means following the tiger and the wild bear. So he was following the tiger and wild bear. Why? To the nearest markets. So whenever the tiger and bear are moving to other places, he was following. Accompanied means to follow them. So he played with the bulbul, the owl and the monkeys. So he was playing with the bulbul, owl and the monkeys. So like that he was making very happy with all the animals who are which are staying in the forest, which are becoming very sad in the forest. But the jackal was very angry. Why it was very angry? with what the sadhu was, whatever the sadhu was doing, whatever sadhu was making happy them. So with that, he was making this jackal was very much angry. So he did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. So this jackal was planning that he was not to make all these animals happy and peace and harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack. So here sadhu is there, how to attack all these animals. So what I should make a plan, like that he was doing. So one day, so what happened, all the animals and insects and birds, they all kept one of the emergency meeting, one of the important meeting, and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu. So unitedly they decided to approach the sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. So what happened, with the fear only, all these animals went to sadhu and they asked, they were pleaded means very pleasing, very with a very warm request. So please kill that jackal, we are unable to live, we are unable to live in this forest, like that they are saying. So they are pleasing to this sadhu. For that, what sadhu said, the sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal, but I will help you in a different way. He used to help you in a different way. How he will help you? Suppose when the sun went to the sleep. Here, what is the meaning of when sun went to the sleep? Sun went to sleep means at the time of evening time. So evening time the sun will set up. So at the time the jackal came to the house of hens to take away few of them for his supper. The jackal came and he was taking some of the hens for his supper. Means night time and evening time. Whatever we will eat at the time of evening or night, that is called supper. So the sadhu who has been lodging nearby came out of the house and spoke to the jackal, take me today for your meal. So don't take these hens, but take me for your meal, like that he said. Okay. For this, what the jackal said, the jackal who had been waiting for this opportunity, so he was very much happy to kill the sadhu first. So who had been waiting for this opportunity, he taken the sadhu and ran into one of the jungle. So this jackal took the sadhu and he went into a forest. Okay. After that, what happened? He took the sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces and ate him up. He ate him up. So the animals were very sad. So all the animals became still somewhat sad and angry, and they were disappointed with what happened to the sadhu. So the animals were afraid that the hungry jackal would appear again the next day. So all these animals are feeling very much sad. Why they are becoming sad? So this angry jackal, so it will come again in the next day. It will come again to eat us, to kill us. So that's why they are becoming very sad, very much disappointed. So what happened then? At that moment, they heard a strange noise, very very unknown voice, very new voice they heard. So what is that noise? All of them ran in that direction. So every animal ran in that direction. So what is happening in that direction? So they used to see. So what they saw surprised them. So all the animals, what they are seeing is that surprised all the animals. They saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. So here the stomach of jackal growing bigger and bigger. So here what happened after that? So it continued to bloat until it burst. It continued to bloat. Bloat means to become very large until it burst. It burst. So to become to make a cracks. So some sort of cracks are coming on the stomach of this jackal. So then they heard a soft voice. So all these animals at the time they heard one of the soft voice. May my animals, birds and insects, animals, birds and insects live in a peace and harmony. Should live with a very pleasant climate and with a united agreement. So may there be no fences. May there be no fences in the around you. May you sing, dance, and once again. So you have to do the singing, dancing once again to do the some lot of gymnastics like that. Everything you have to do again once again. Like that, there he is saying, remember me and not be afraid. Don't get afraid. So you remember me. Like that he was saying. So when they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon. They saw the moon shining very brightly. When they saw when they are looking onto the sky, so the moon was shining very brightly. Moon was shining very brightly, brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. So he was spreading one of the milky whiteness towards the earth. The animals once again started to roam, sing, and sleep in peace and harmony. So with the help of the sadhu's action to kill the jackal, so all the animals once again started to enjoy, sing, sleep together, all together. So they broke down the fences and which they built. So whatever the fences they have built, so they broke down and they had thrown away. So they invited the moon and the stars for the cultural evening. So previously they used to have a musical evenings. Now after killing the jackal, they used to start once again the cultural evenings. Okay, so like this, so all these animals become very peace and happy. Very happily all the animals stayed in the forest. Once again all the happiness came in the forest. So I hope so you have understood this lesson. Okay, so in the next class we shall go on with some other interesting topics. I hope so you have been understand. So today once again read this lesson and understand this story very easily. This is very easy story, and if you get understand, you will be very fine. Okay, have a good day children. Very thank you.